Jamieson Brothers started originally in 1895. They sold grass seeds for farmers, fodder beet, anything farm related, and obviously we did seed potatoes. The whole Amazon thing has been going on since 2012, but that was just a case of we had 2 or 3 products. We tried it on there, but it wasn't really something we were seriously considering carrying on with. At one stage, Amazon would be 10% of the business, and my own website would do 90% of the online business. Now, I would say it's completely switched around. It was mostly trial and error.
We would just put on new products via our Magento website and it would automatically update on Amazon. Didn't realise that you needed all these different things for Amazon. They wanted different titles, different descriptions, the pictures weren't the right size. There's so much that we didn't know.
And now when you look back, you think, well, that really was probably a bad mistake. We would spend weeks looking for guides, tips, all these sort of things. Some of them conflicted against each other, some of them were out of date.
You can look on Amazon for a question, and unless you hit gold straight away, you could be there for days. Because Iain will ask you to look up for something on Amazon, and I'm like, 2 hours later, I'm like, oh no, what time is it?
Nobody had all the answers. And that was where, Sell Beyond, with the team that they've got an expert in each and every field, that if you need to ask a question, you speak to that person. How they nicely put it was, we'd done a very good job with little to no understanding. And I thought, well, thank you. Obviously, it highlighted the fact that we'd probably overspent, wasted budget, and if that budget had actually been focused with the training that we've now got, we would actually have made more sales and spent less money. Paul worked with me originally to understand the business. He never knew there was so many potatoes. He probably doesn't want to ever see them again, but we ended up doing 150 SKUs. So that would be quite a big job to do without the assistance that they offered.
With Paul, it's mostly been, how do I send things up to Amazon? How do I track what I'm sending up to Amazon? How do I track what's selling? Paul split it down for me, so he's showing me what pages I need to use to fill in these reports, and he's made me like a really easy template, so I just can work way through it really quickly.
Paul put us in contact with Keely. Keely did all of the A+ content.
At the bottom of your page on Amazon, where it would be all advertising for everybody else, it is more advertising for yourself, and it'll explain all about Jamieson Brothers itself, any other products that you would want to have that you think are suitable to go with that product.
So that was something I wouldn't have been able to do myself.
Keely can just make your potatoes sound wonderful. She's done a growing guide and a planting guide, and it all looks very, very professional, wonderful, which is a lot better than what we had.
Up until this year, we've done everything ourselves. We've been seller-fulfilled merchants. With the help of Sell Beyond, we've now moved some of the products to Fulfilled by Amazon. So that allows our products to be sold and delivered basically 7 days a week. That was quite a scary prospect to start with. We'd never done it. There was all these complicated looking spreadsheets that had to be filled in. It was one of those things where you think, I don't know if I want to take that on. It's going to be very complicated. That was where Paul really made the largest contribution, and that's now second nature. It's been a real journey. I mean, compared now to where we were even 2 years ago, we've come on leaps and bounds. It was taking up all my time. I would finish work, go home to do more work. The weekend was more work, and that's what it was for 2 years. You were totally consumed by the beast that is the potential sales that you can make on Amazon. I don't think I would want to do all this again without having professional help. I mean, now it's as if I've sort of come out of an addiction. I'm calmer. I'm able to rely upon my own staff. Plus, I've got Sail Beyond there, that if there's something that none of us know, there's a very, very good chance that they'll either have the answer or they will be able to find out the answer. And that's how we sort of look at it now. We've gained basically 6 members of staff that I'm not responsible for, but when I need any help, I can contact them. And it's quite reassuring to know that there's people out there willing to go that extra mile for you and give you the support that your business needs.